Hi, I'm John. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if you're already a subscriber, thanks for hanging out. Today I'll let you know what I've been up to, what I'm doing now, what to expect for the channel into the future, and a couple of other thoughts and comments. Late last year and early this year I was interstate for work for a total of 6 months, and during that time I didn't have any of my tools or equipment to complete or record any projects. I got back home in April and spent some time on a few family and personal things which have now all settled into a good working routine. I have been planning, organising, recording and completing a few projects for a few weeks now, and I'll be starting to upload videos again from next week. I think I have a good variety of projects and content coming up, and I hope you find something interesting, helpful, inspiring or just fun to watch. About the channel, I'm thrilled, always appreciative and very thankful to continue to see the channel grow. It's all about perspective, and for me to see the channel hit that first subscriber milestone of 1,000 a month or so ago is incredibly exciting, and I'm keen and looking forward to the next 1,000 and beyond. To those of you watching who are subscribers, thank you very much. During the last few months I had another first. One of my videos hit 100,000 views, which is just phenomenal. Thank you as well to everyone who watches any of my videos, drops a like or leaves a comment. It's greatly appreciated. My channel theme is life's short, so get after it. To me that means taking a step or two or more out of your comfort zone and giving something a go that you might be apprehensive about for any reason. If you're thinking about doing something or whether to do something, then what I hope is that seeing what I try to do with the shop, tools, equipment and ability I have may give you that little bit of extra confidence, motivation or inspiration to take that next step. For me, I get a great sense of satisfaction from all the things I try, the things I learn and what I manage to accomplish. I appreciate the knowledge and experience I gain from getting after it and giving something a go. I hope you find something of interest having a look around the channel, and thanks so much for watching today. Any questions or comments, please feel free to leave those below, and until next time, remember, life's short, so get after it.